Hello, my wonderful Algebra 2 students. So I want to talk to you today about two very special logarithms. And if we think about what the point of logarithms are, or what the definition of logarithms are, is that they are the inverse of an exponential. So two exponentials that we see a lot, the power of 10, right? And we see that with money, financial applications. We live in a base 10 system, so having the base of our exponent be 10 makes a lot of sense to us. We also deal a lot with e to the x. Now remember, we learned a little bit about e through distance learning. E is the rate of constant growth. If we were compounding continuously or growing continuously, we would see e. So these are two very important exponents, and they have two very important logarithms that go along with them. So let's start with 10 to the x. Now, when we look at the inverse of 10 to the x, this happens so often, it's actually called the common log. It's so common. And it looks like this. It's a logarithm, the log of 100, without a base right there. So you might see it, you could think of it as log base 100 of 100, or I'm sorry, log base 10 of 100, or you can just say the common log of 100. Now this question is asking this, 10 to the what power equals 100? These two things are saying the same thing. 10 to what power equals 100, and we know that's 2. So we can say the common log of 100 is 2. So far so good? So now let's talk about e to the x, e to any power. Now, this one occurs a lot in natural growth. Cells growing or populations sometimes can be e. So this is called the natural logarithm, or the natural log. And we use n and l to kind of talk about it. So we could say this, the log base e of 2.718, say, but instead of doing that, we say the natural log of 2.718. And you can say ln of 2.718, or you could say the natural log of 2.718. And essentially what that is saying, the natural log is base e. What we're saying is e to what power is 2.718. Now, if you remember back to 2 or 3 weeks ago, e is 2.718, 1828, 1828, 459045, etc. It's a transcendental number. So this, e to what power is this? Well, e is 2.718. So 2.718 to what power makes 2.718? 1. So we could say the natural log of 2.718 is 1. Yay!